eya Coca-Cola National Championship Finals. Wanduka byanjawulo. Right away. Uganda Matters Kabaliro. Bano batu.
Tolete ndoli tuntya tugenda kunyumirwa mbunyumirwa
Naba yingira obulungi nnyo. Ananda. Wakiso region. Centuriona. Bano beka Wakiso. Kule mukono. Abakubyamu kye bayita Azon.
Ochari Hudson. Ochari James.
St. John School.
Wano watabade.
Bakudira muri pule wano.
Bana abana.
Bakudira muri pule. Kandi baby.
Yenza byaibe.
Bakudira muri pule wano.
Bakudira muri pule wano.
Sasa mu babiri nakuwe nyanda wano. Abawagizi ne babuka. Oh my God.
Era nga tukutegeeza nti no bana fa St. John's. Aina gole mu.
No, St. Henry's, mukono, wano, agenda kuba manyanda, aina kwa kanze wano. Oh my God.
Absolutely, Uganda has been producing some of the best players, and just to prove to you, I think this year we are going to take the Copa Africa Cup. Kenya took it last year, but we are putting the challenge on Kenya, and this year we are going to take it. So watch this space. Our team is going to be the strongest one. You'll see we are going to get the cup this year. So let's keep our eye on that. Yes.
Buli muzanyi lwateba goolo abana engeri gy'asanyukiramu goolo gy'abeera ateebye. Leero mu byafaayo by'emizannyo katukulage buli omu lwafuna engeri gy'afunamu amasanyu.